How to make a speed ramp transition and use it properly. Today's video is sponsored by Jim Carrey.
Stop breaking the law, asshole!
My friend Tommy asked me to edit his clips, so I will use those for example today. Right-click to your clip and select the retime curve. Press this button, uncheck the retime frame and check the retime speed. Find the spot you want to speed up and add a keyframe. Drag the last part of the line up to speed up the ending of your clip. By default the limit is set to 300, but you can increase it as much as you want. Select the keyframe and press the curve button to make it smoother, drag the handles to adjust the curve. Do the same thing for the second clip, but this time speed up the beginning of the clip. Now it's a good opportunity to talk about myself and boost my ego.
How could you do this to me? Me.
Place an adjustment clip on top of the parts you sped up, and add a prism blur effect. Change the position, distance and strength a bit for each transition you have. Most people are using the speed ramp with a sound effect, but I prefer to make it on the beat. Also add a short camera shake in between to make it less predictable and to keep up the rhythm of your edit. And one last thing, Tommy, stop calling me every day. I told you I don't want to hang out with you, I have better things to do. If you found this clip useful, good news, you have a great taste. Subscribe to this channel and stay tuned.